Hey builders, DBT builds fail, pipelines slow down, and figuring out why often takes longer than actually fixing the problem. Cortex Code CLI is your data native AI coding agent that brings Snowflake expertise directly into your terminal, and it speaks fluent DBT. Here I have a DBT core project. Cortex Code sips with built in DBT knowledge. It can read your project files directly, models, sources, lineage, without needing to DBT compile or DBT parse first. So instead of manually digging through logs or hopping between tools, I can just ask Cortex Code, analyze this DBT project, show me failing models, show me what runs are being slow, and recommend some optimizations. Under the hood, it's got a specialized set of tools that can map project structure, trace upstream and downstream lineage, run blast radius analysis, audit test coverage, compile SQL, and execute builds. It combines all of that knowledge with Snowflake query history to find the actual bottlenecks, then delivers a prioritized improvement plan. So as it's doing these things, I can even go further. I can ask it, what would be the impact downstream if I change or delete this model? Prioritize optimizations that you would make for this project. Tell me, this one column looks funny. Where does the revenue column come from? Trace it back all the way to its original source. I've got a bunch of models here. Some have good test coverage, some don't. Find me ones that have some gaps in test coverage. Generate some good tests for those and add those to the schema files. And you can do all this without leaving your terminal. Okay, so it did find that failing model. Okay, okay, I need to cast it to number. Classic. Run into that problem all the time. Okay, it looked in my query history and it found that some of these are pretty slow. And so it looks and it suggested some specific ones. Stop rebuilding full tables when unnecessary. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. I should probably move some of these to incremental models. That's a pretty good. And I do have some pretty heavy tests. Maybe it's to do some more targeted tests. And you know what? Those sound pretty good. Those sound good. Do those. Let's have it go and implement all of these changes. And if you're running DBT projects natively inside Snowflake, Cortex Code handles that too. Deploying, executing, scheduling, and monitoring in a single platform. What used to take hours of investigation now takes minutes. Now it's your turn. What would you analyze first with Cortex Code?